Yes, Jai Mata Di everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now today I will discuss with you the MATLAB code of linear convolution. Now, first of all, I write percentage for writing a program aim. Write a program of linear convolution. Now start with CLC, clear all, close all, and after that I take a input variable that is x equal to 1 comma 2. Okay, and after that I will take second variable that is h equal to 1 comma 2 comma 4. I will take anything you can take. Then after that I will take the output y is equal to, first of all I will tell you by the help of command. Okay, x comma h. Okay, and you will get the result. This is my result. If you want to implement it in a figure, if I use plot command, that is for continuous, see this result. This is the result. Okay, and you don't know what is in the x-axis, y-axis and title, how to do this. And if I use stem command, stem is used for discrete signals, and I use x label, n values I will take, but right. Okay, y label, now after that title. In this I will tell you about the basics in a very simple way. Now I implement it and show this. Okay, linear convolution, this is my title in y-axis and in x-axis, and this is my discrete signal. Now this is all about the command. If I will take percentage, then it's a comment. Okay, I write percentage. Okay, now I will tell you by the help of code. First of all, I will take the length of first sequence. After that, I will take the length of second sequence. Okay, I will use the subplot command. To 1. Okay, then after that I will implement, I will show I want in a figure, then I use stem command for a x input, okay, then x label, y label, okay, title is, I change it, the title, that is xn, okay. Now after that, copy this function, use second one. In this I will implement the second input values, okay, I will show this. This is my x and this is my h. Now implement for y. What to do in this? I am using capital X for a padding, okay, for a padding. In a x, the length is m. And next is capital H I will take. Now second is H, zeros, one comma m1. Start the loop because I have to implement the formula. I is equal to, that starts from 1. 1 ratio, how much it is? M1 plus M minus 1. In this case, first of all, I use this equal to 0. Okay. Now, inner loop, that is j equal to, start from 1 because in MATLAB it starts from 1. If condition I minus j plus 1 is greater than 0. Now implement the formula x into h. Okay, use multiplication, capital H, I minus j plus 1 and this loop. Then after that add second loop. Subplot okay, now in this case one more, this one, use subplot. After that implement the y function, and this is my y or output. So implement it. Okay, 1 4 8 8. Okay, this is my answer. If you want in a continuous form, then what I do, and I have a code by the help of this command. Okay, and in this case y1, okay, I implement it. I am copying this part and paste at the end. Okay, now this is my discrete signals and this is my continuous signals. Okay, this is all about the code of linear convolution. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get the MATLAB codes for DSP programs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Jai Mata Di.